If your squat feels restricted or your knees ache when you get low, there's a simple movement most people overlook that can completely change how your hips feel. It's not another stretch and it's not something most people are doing, but when you use it the right way, it can make your hips feel stronger, more open, and a lot more stable. It's called the horse stance, and you can think of it as a squat variation that shifts the focus away from the ankles and puts more demand on your hips and inner thighs. Most people are used to squatting straight down, but this position biases the hip and builds strength and control in ranges most people lack. To set it up, start with your feet wider than shoulder width and turn your toes slightly out. Then sit your hips down between your legs like you are lowering into a squat. As you go down, your chest will naturally want to fall forward and your hips will want to rise. That's normal. Focus on bringing your chest up and driving your hips forward. You are going to feel an intense stretch through your hips, especially the inner thighs. And over time, your goal is to get lower while keeping the upright position. Keep your knees tracking in line with your toe and your weight balanced through your feet. In this position, you should feel a strong stretch through your inner thighs while your legs are actively working to support you. This isn't a relaxed position. Your body is adapting to a range it probably hasn't been exposed to. You are building mobility in those end ranges while strengthening them at the same time. Once you start doing this consistently, you'll notice it's easier to get into and out of a squat and pick things up off the floor without feeling restricted. You are also building more strength and stability through your hips so your knees and lower back don't have to compensate. And because this position shows up in a lot of athletic movements, you'll improve your balance, control, and overall movement quality. Strong mobile hips are the foundation for how your body moves day to day. If you are just starting out, hold on to something like a chair or counter so you can focus on getting into position. As you get more comfortable, start using less support until you can hold it on your own. Once you get stronger, you can add small pulses at the bottom to build strength through more range. And if you want to increase the challenge, you can add resistance by holding a weight. A few things to watch out for. Don't let your knee collapse inward. Keep them in line with your toes. Don't turn this into a forward lean. Once you work your way up to a parallel horse stance, you can place a stick across your thigh. It shouldn't roll forward. If it does, you are leaning too much and need to bring your chest up and hips forward. And don't force yourself lower than you can control. If you lose position, you lose the benefit. Spend a few minutes here a few times per week, and you will start to feel your hips open up, get stronger, and move a lot better. I will see you in the next one.